Welcome to another episode of Crypto Miner, guys. Today we will be analyzing something insane, something major that we are watching in the charts right here, right now for Ethereum. Let's go directly to the chart to find out what is happening right there. But before that, go smash this like button, subscribe to the channel, press the bell button for all the notifications, and make this community grow even more for everything we are doing and everything we are sharing with you guys and this amazing, fresh, nice content. Let's go directly to the chart to find out what we have right there. Smashing this like button is the best thing you could do for this insane video that is coming right now. So we are going to be watching and analyzing perfectly what we see right now in the chart for the Ethereum price. We see here on the daily chart we are massively oversold. So guys, what is the whole thing right now? What should you see? Well, if you have been watching Ethereum dumping so far, and especially on the day and of course in the weekly chart, you can find out that we are massively oversold. So this is one of the best period of time to buy right now. I've been explaining also with an insane strategy what I'm explaining in the last video. You can also find this in the pinned comment section down below about the best strategy for buying in general spot. So you can find out this strategy, and I'm gonna be also adding this to the end of this video so you can find this out. So guys, look at this right here. What is happening technically is the fact that Ethereum has been getting rejected massively. So we are gonna be checking out something insane at this point. Okay, we are gonna be pulling out this horizontal array line, okay, and we are gonna be drawing this support that is passing through the next cap and handle, the previous cap and handle formation that we have been watching breaking towards the upper side. So now why this cap and handle formation didn't really help? So you should see at this point that we have been rejected multiple times, and especially in the weekly chart they have been looking like fake outs. But guys, when you are watching something like this happening, then fake out is not the solution to find out in your problems. So you cannot suppose that this is fake outs. This is something that technically happened. We have been dumping multiple times and we realized that this one was an insane support to hold, and again I'm gonna be pulling out. Okay, so those lines here are the lines that you should hold in your mind at this point. Why am I saying that? First of all, you see perfectly that the support has been holding perfectly. So the next major level to watch is the 1735. Now we are gonna be making this a little bit more clear. Okay, so on the daily chart, very nicely, okay, you can find out that by following the swing highs and the swing lows, we have an uptrend that technically didn't end up so well. So those are not really Elliots. So Elliott waves are everywhere, but at this point they really didn't help at all. So we broke this insane support line that has been starting at this point. Okay, this was broken, so we saw this dumping all the way down, something that didn't really follow our plan, and it continued like going lower and lower. You have seen this massive, insane oversold, I would say, signal that is coming right now, and the oversold means buy territory. Now, this is not a financial advice. Does this mean that Ethereum doesn't have more power to fall all the way down? Of course it has. Well, by the way, okay, when you are watching something like this, RSI massively oversold, then you are realizing that, do you know what? On the higher time frames, we are watching that this continuation pattern, no divergence yet on the daily, is giving us more power maybe towards the downside. So yes, it could dump even further. How we can find this out? So we are taking the swing low to the swing high, okay, and we realize that this level, the 1.414, major level to watch at this point, it comes in a perfect alignment with the support that we have been designing from before. So this is actually major. Could this come and retrace all the way down? Yes, because there is some space more to fall towards the downside. Now, it has been the fact that we haven't seen any retrace. So this is something that could be a very big problem. Why? Because many people, okay, they are gonna believe that, do you know, in case we are pumping from this level and we go all the way up, then guys, of course we have major levels to watch and insane resistance lines, because this whole territory is very tricky right now. So are we in a bull market? For sure not. So that's why I am expecting this to fall all the way down. And for the reason that I'm saying that is because major support lines have been broken, and you can find out by pulling many horizontal ray lines. Okay, you can find out also right here, it was a head and shoulder pattern that also can give us pretty much similar price target with a breakdown, and it goes exactly to the point that we are watching. So head and shoulder pattern, okay, 1.414 on the fib levels, and of course the support line that we have been designing, they are pointing everything to this X point down here, and this is what I'm gonna be holding, the 1786 major support line to watch at this level where we are in. So now, could you take a kind of long trade all the way up? This is something that you could do, but we haven't seen any on the daily at least. Bullish divergence going to the upper side. Here we don't have still bullish divergence. We had some to the downside, but now this is pretty much paid out. Could we see a further price action towards the downside? Yes, we could see like a double bottom scenario playing out for Ethereum right now. 1, 2, and then a leg to the upper side, but don't hope for a bull market right now. If you want to hope for a bull market, we should start creating higher highs and of course higher lows and a continuation towards the upper side and a V-shaped recovery. I don't think that is the point right now. So at least consolidation, a leg to the upper side, give some hope to the people, but no further to the downside to the approximately 1780, many times mentioned for this specific level we are in. And if you guys appreciate this very nice information, please subscribe to the channel of Crypto Minder. Insane things to watch right here, and we are coming with more stuff, insane stuff that they are going to be actually insane. They are going to be helping you as well how to trade, and of course with the academy we do an insane job, and our students are technically going mental with short or long trades, and of course they are making money even this is a bear or a bull market. So that's why we are here. We are so excited to announce even prices towards the downside, because everyone is here for money, guys. So let's be realistic, and of course watching what the market has to show at this point. So after this we are watching perfectly that we have been bouncing right here. What we should see is a double bottom scenario, otherwise we are speaking for nothing in case we want to see a leg towards the upper side right now. Continuation to the downtrend, this is bearish, and of course more space to go towards the downside, some consolidation maybe, and a little bit lower continuation, fall down, double bottom, and yes, we could see Ethereum later on going up for after like a couple of months or 6 months, but don't hope for a bull market very soon, because the support lines have been broken. Now there are major resistances. So please like this video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one. Crypto Minder. Bye bye.